Today is my first official video, well, my real first official video since 2020. I know that the first two I don't really count because they wasn't related to my natural hair. So I wanted to come to you to bring you a product review, but I haven't actually tried it just yet. I was surprised. I had went online and I went to their website. Of course, it was Camille Rose, and I could not, they didn't have any of their new product. So it was actually sold out. All three of the scents was sold out. So I was gonna wait to see if they, get some more stock in. But then I was just happened to be at CVS and I came across this. So I was like shocked to see it on the shelf. I said, oh my God, I have got to try this. And it's exactly the scent that I wanted. It's the Rose Cleansing Milk. And this has flaxseed. It's flaxseed milk and rose powder. And this is for definition. So I haven't tried it yet. I am going to be using this next time I do my wash day, probably sometime this weekend. So I will be posting another video, and I'll probably attach it with this video so you can actually see the full review on this product and to see how it works in my 4C texture. But this little midget bottle is 8 fluid ounces, and it was $10. And I was like, okay. I know Miss Rose, she sometimes can be a little, a little extra, because this is also one of my new staples, Dr. Bronner's, and this was also $10. So in comparison, and this also can be used as a shampoo, laundry detergent, dishwashing soap, facial wash, a multiple of things. There's like over 30 uses for this, but I just wanted to show you in comparison. And this was I think this is about the same. This is $11 and this was $10.99. So yeah. But I wanted to read the back of this so y'all can I'm not exactly sure. I think this is a shampoo. I'm going to use this as a shampoo, but it seems like they want you to put it on dry hair. Normally when I would do my wash, my hair, I rinse my hair first with water and then apply shampoo so it can lather. But this says section hair and massage cleansing milk onto scalp and throughout the length of hair using fingers. Rinse with cool water, and I don't know about the cool because it's winter here. I don't rinse my hair with cool water. I use either warm to hot water. So I'm not sure where they say cool water, but they say to use cool water until product is completely removed. Follow with your favorite Camille Rose leave-in conditioner or styling product. Now I don't have any of Camille Rose additional products. I finished up the Shea Butter, their moisturizer, so I don't have any more of their products. So I'm going to be cocktailing this with Design Essentials, their leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to use the Design Essentials hair mousse because I do love those two products together. So I'm sure this can be cocktailed with other products. These high-end products, I noticed they can be cocktailed together without any issues or any problems. So I'm going to be using this, and I'll just feature the review on this, on how this feels as far as me washing it and how it feels afterwards. So I just wanted to pop on real quick to let you know that this is going to be my next product review. And I'll probably hopefully be able to do a styling video pretty soon. I'm not sure of my schedule just yet, but just pop it on. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you, and if you're first time popping on, I welcome you to just join the channel, watch a few more of my videos. If you enjoy what you see, just click that red button below. I'm a content creator, I am a jewelry designer, and a writer. So I also blog. So I do have a blog at naturalraw.blogspot.com, and you can just pop over there. I do have something that I just wrote for January of 2020. So trying to be consistent, which is always a challenge. I know I just talked about consistency, but it's a daily constant struggle and a challenge. As you know, we all deal with life, so you know, I'm just taking one day, one step at a time, and doing the best that I can with what I have to work with. So on that note, stay tuned for the video, and thanks for watching, and take care, and